Ka pensiau tho wo pungkup bor yaki kynthai namo ka awareness rally on women empowerment de pynman ya ka ha ka distrik uniu benai de yung krek kam ka district library Jowai Arts and Culture Department chiru wa ka Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation hapo yung ka Ministry of Culture ka sarkar India. Kani karali to cibenta yong ilek kemen ya ka lengkho snem wa ars pa san phau ka sngi u Raja Ram Mohan Roy uwatip le kam u father of modern India. Hagani ka sngi u deputy commissioner ka district u BS Sokli ya da manu kamu kongsan hei wada ka we lamau le ya kani karali na pchem ka district library hei wada cimbenta da ki wasikai waki khana na kaleng ka Jowai chirup waki NCC wa ka MBS Anji dewara le yaki kot ruben watho yaki kentin wo pungkup bor yaki kynthai. Udisi da ong wa kam bha wo pynman yaki kynthai wo rengkat ki waki cenrang ne bha hado kat ni dang ki kam wa man percha yaki wa yaki khna wat hado wo yo yai pure puthi. Da ong wa da to ipor wa ipungkup bor yaki kynthai uman i wasekhian wa imto wo man ki wa pai don hi te suki yai wajia ki kam wa cha yo ben wei chah lehbeiñ ki kynthai wa ki khana cho da kentu ya ki khana wo yin wei wo pyntip cha ki bor district namo ki bor chnong la de yo ki kam ki te ki kam ne liang utaren 7 wa pelai ya ka yalang da khana ya ki kam wa de le u Raja Ram Mohan Roy wo pendo ya i penchong kurim dang khana kasati wa i kurim bon ngut hapo gari ya ki kentin pediang de e daw W kasa district librarian Jowai.
Last state, we are a matrilineal society whereby we take lineage from our women, from our mothers. But even then, as we have seen through the days and months and years that have gone until today, although we take our surnames, we are a matrilineal society, we take our surnames from our women and mothers, but we still find, and it is a very sad and also very painful that women especially are still subjected to many kinds of subjugation, many kinds of violence, domestic violence, and we have where a number of like rape cases. If we are truly emancipated and women are given a strong platform in society, these things should not occur anymore. But anyway, let the message of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, seep in all and every one of us, that the empowerment, emancipation, and giving power and all to women and children especially, be truly so that we spread the message that we have to stand, we have to make a fight, we have to speak out against injustice. Sometimes when we see injustice being done and we hear and we talk about it, we hear about it in our own localities, in our own institutions, in our own place of work, we just turn a blind eye. We say, it's okay, it's not my problem, it's somebody else's problem, let them take care of it. But I would request all of us who are here, right from the school children, and would like to at this point add that I'm thankful that school children are here together with their teachers. We won't just be silent bystanders. We see a situation where a woman or women or children are being ill-treated or being, subjugated to all kinds of mental and physical torture and harm. We should take a stand and make it loud and report to the authorities, report to the locality, report to the authorities of the district, that such perpetrators shall be brought to book. May you all walk carefully and be safe. Take care of yourself. May this day be a successful one. Thank you all to everyone again. Thank you. Happy.